Have you ever wondered why some people effortlessly climb the financial ladder while others struggle? They drive fancy cars, live in luxurious homes, and take exotic vacations. It's easy to chalk it up to luck or inheritance. But the truth is, it often boils down to their mindset. The wealthy view money as a tool to build lasting wealth. In this video, we'll dive into the psychology of money and uncover key differences in how the rich think. Once you understand these principles, you can start applying them to your own life and take control of your financial future. The first major difference between the wealthy and everyone else is their mindset about money. Most people operate from a scarcity mindset, constantly worrying about not having enough. This fear drives them to make decisions based on scarcity. But the wealthy have an abundance mindset. They believe opportunities to create wealth are limitless and focus on growth and innovation. When faced with a financial challenge, they ask, "How can I make this happen?" Start viewing money as a renewable resource, something you can attract and multiply. Your mindset is a powerful tool. Use it to your advantage. We live in a world of instant gratification. This mentality keeps many people stuck in a cycle of debt and financial instability. The wealthy understand the power of delayed gratification. They invest in assets that appreciate over time, like real estate, stocks, or businesses. Every impulsive purchase takes away from your future self. Patience and discipline are key ingredients in the recipe for financial success. Most people are trapped in the cycle of trading their time for money. This is the definition of the rat race. The wealthy focus on building passive income streams. They invest in assets that generate income, like rental properties or dividend-paying stocks. Shift your mindset from being a consumer to becoming an investor. The goal is to create a life where your money works harder than you do. Nobody likes to lose money. The fear of failure can be paralyzing, preventing people from taking necessary risks. But the biggest risk is not taking any risks at all. The wealthy understand that calculated risks are essential for growth. They embrace the possibility of failure and learn from their mistakes. Take calculated risks by doing your research and having a plan. Every successful person has faced setbacks and failures. Be bold, be strategic, and don't let fear hold you back from achieving your financial dreams. So what will it be? Will you continue down the same path, stuck in financial mediocrity, or will you adopt the psychology of the wealthy and unlock your true financial potential? It's time to take control of your financial future. You don't need a huge inheritance to become wealthy. Start by shifting your perspective from scarcity to abundance. Embrace delayed gratification and invest in your future self. Focus on building passive income streams. Don't be afraid to take calculated risks. The only thing standing between you and financial freedom is you. Subscribe for more money tips.